you. You're so big. Yes, you are. Careful. Is that your camera? Baby. You got my slipper? You gonna eat it? You are getting too big. Your sack's gonna come off. Your sack's coming off. Both of them are coming off.
My business is too small.
Wow. No matter how small your business, you run the risk of losing all your personal assets. Your car, your home, even your entire if you're not incorporated. Incorporating is very
Hi.
Actually, incorporating is easy and fast. You can do it in just 10 minutes. For your free LLC.com, call 1-800